Three-moment equation, example number 1. So, ang required sa problem na ito ay mga reactions, AY, BY, and CY. Dalawang solutions ang gagamitin natin. Solution 1 is using the Titanic method and solution 2 is using three-moment equation. Mag-assume tayo ng mga reactions. So, assume that AY is upward, BY upward, CY upward. Then mag-assume na rin tayo ng elastic curve. So ito na yung elastic curve. Then solution 1 is using Titanic method. Para sa span AB, so formula for 6AA over L. So dahil ang load ay uniform load, so WL cube over 4. So substitute the data. So W is 42, L is 6, and then cube over 4. So 6A over L for span AB is 2,268. So para sa direction B to A, makakakuha tayo ng expression for theta B left. And para naman sa direction B to C, makakakuha tayo ng expression for theta B right. At sa example na ito, since wala namang internal hinge sa point B, then yung theta B left is equal to theta B right. Then ito na yung formula for theta B para sa left, then equals, ito naman yung formula para sa theta B sa right. Then substitute the data. So para sa left side ng equation, so yung moment near is the moment at B, and that is unknown. Then yung length is the distance from B to A, so that is 6 over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at A, and that is 0. The length is 6 over 6EI, then plus 6A over L. For span AB, the load is uniform, and 6A over L is 2,268 over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to A, and yung horizontal line tumama sa A, so that H is 0. Then equal to negative. For segment BC, the moment near is moment at B, which is unknown. And the length is the distance from B to C, so that is 8. Then over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at C, 0. The length is 8 over 6EI, plus 6AB over L. So since wala tayong load from B to C, then 6AB over L is 0. Then over 6EI, minus H over L. So gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C, and si horizontal line ay tumama kay C, so that H is 0. Solving for MB, the value is negative 81. Negative means that the moment at B is downward. Actually, kapag inequate natin yung theta left sa theta right at sinimplify yung equation, ang result is three-moment equation. So, magiging mas mabilis ang three-moment equation kung ang hinahanap lang naman natin ay moment. Ang advantage kasi ng Titanic is kung ang hinahanap ay theta. Pero kung hindi naman tayo concerned sa theta, so tayo ay concerned lang sa moment, mas magiging mabilis kung i-apply na natin directly yung three-moment equation. Solution 2, apply three-moment equation. So yung segment AB is tawagin nating span 1, segment BC is span 2. For span 1, the parameter 6A1A1 over L1 is WL cube over 4. Since yung loading natin is uniform load, then substitute the data. W is 42, then L is 6, then cube over 4. So the parameter 6A1A1 over L1 is equal to 2,268. Then for span 2, the parameter 6A2B2 over L2 is 0 kasi walang loading para sa segment BC or span 2. Then we apply formula 4. Sa problem na to, applicable yung formula 4 since yung beam ay prismatic and walang external moments sa sections A, B, and C. Then substitute the data. M1 is the moment at A, which is 0. L1 is 6 plus 2. M2 is the moment at B. Then L1 is 6 plus L2, 8. Plus M3 is moment at C, 0. L2 is 8. Then equal to negative 6A1A1 over L1 is 2,268. Then minus 6A2B2 over L2 is 0. Then plus 6EI. H1 is 0 since kapag gumawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to A, yung horizontal line ay tatama kay A so that the vertical distance of point A from the horizontal line drawn at B is 0. Then over 6, then plus H2, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C and tumama kay C, so the vertical distance is 0. Then over L2 is 8. So that MB is equal to negative 81 kilonewton meter. The direction of negative moment is downward. Ngayong meron na tayong moment B, then magagamit na natin siya to solve for the reactions. So to solve for the reactions, say we cut at B, then moment left equals moment right. So moment left of B, due to AY, which is upward, the moment is positive, AY times 6. Due to the uniform load downward, the moment is 42 times 6 times the lever arm 3. So yan na yung moment left of B, then equal to the moment right of B. So CY is upward, so the moment is positive CY times 8. At yung moment left of B na equal sa moment right of B ay equal sa moment at B, which is negative 81. So that AY is equal to positive 112.5. So positive means the assumption upward is correct. And CY is equal to negative 10.125. So negative means that the assumption upward is wrong. So ang CY pala is downward with a magnitude of 10.125. So correct na natin, siya pala ay downward. To solve for BY, we cut at C, then moment left is equal to moment right of C. So at point C, the moment left is equal to, so AY is upward, so the moment is positive 112.5 times yung lever arm measured from C is 6 plus 8, so 14. And due to BY upward, the moment is positive. BY times lever arm is 8. Due to the uniform load downward, the moment is negative 42 times 6. And the lever arm is the distance magmula point C hanggang sa centroid ng load is 8 plus 3, so 11. So yan ay moment left of C, then equal to moment right of C, 0. So that BY is equal to positive 149.625. So positive means the assumption upward is correct. Check the results by applying vertical equilibrium. So summation forces vertical must be equal to 0. So AY is upward, so positive 112.5. BY is upward, positive 149.625. CY is downward, negative 10.125. The load is downward, so minus 42 times 6, then equal to 0. And yes, equal yung result.